Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we have to discussing about a chapter celebrity safe. Okay, and this chapter is an exclusive interview to Ratna Sagar. Okay, so it is an interview, so listen carefully, and we have to know Sanjeev Kapoor. Everyone know very well about the Sanjeev Kapoor is a famous and popular safe, and its program also show on your television or LED. So he is only safe in the world to have his own channel, and his recipe book are best sellers and have bagged Indian and international award. His restaurants are considered the best not only in India but abroad as well as. So you have to know about a person. That person was a very famous chef, and his name was Sanjeev Kapoor. Okay, Sanjeev Kapoor is a most famous celebrity in India, and he faces on Indian televisions. Okay, and he is only chef in the world to have his own channel. Okay, Sanjeev Kapoor's have their own channel, and his recipe book is best book for the selling in India and out of India. It means national and international, and he gets more and more award for their recipe, best recipe. Okay, and his restaurants are considered the best not only in India but abroad as well. Okay, many of the Indian person also very fond of his recipe and his foods, and not only India, it also of the abroad. It is also famous in the abroad, and he also runs a business of world class kitchen gadget to empower people, a cause close to his hearts. Okay, so here is the Ratna Sagar take a interview, exclusive interview. So there is some of the question asking to the Sanjeev Kapoor by the Ratna Sagar. Okay, so we have to read and know one by one all the interviews questions and replies. So first question asked by the Ratna Sagar: what is your earliest memory of food? When did you develop an interest in cooking? Okay, everyone have a choice. So what is the matter and what is the condition will create here that he will proceed, he will fond of to making it safe. So mine is a family of foodies or food lovers, and everybody loves cooking. So as kid I too did basic kitchen chores like a shelling peas or chopping vegetables, followed by learning. So here is the reply of the Sanjeev Kapoor: mine is family of foodies or food lovers, and everybody loves cooking. Okay, member of his family were lover and foodies of everyone, and so as a kid I too did basic kitchen chores like selling peas or chopping vegetables, followed by the learning to make a cup of tea. But my clearest and most favorite memory is making a perfectly round chapati. It is a great achievement, and I was really thrilled. Okay, so here Sanjeev Kapoor also expressed his feeling of the childhood when first time when he make a circle or perfect round of the chapati, then it is very best for him, and it is a good great achievement for him, that was really thrilled him. Okay, so next question is: how did your family react when you decide to take up cooking as a career? Everyone have a dream to make their career in a separate way and is their own dream. So here is the safe Sanjeev Kapoor has a different ideas and different career. So Ratna Sagar wanted to know what is the response of his family. So here reply by the Sanjeev Kapoor. He replied that he has always liked to do something different, and his family known this and has always supported his decision. So while everyone was studying medicine or engineering, he decided to become an architect. It was by chance that he applied for hotels management at the Institute of Hotel Management in New Delhi. A friend asked him to do it. It was not a planned decision, but definitely a good one. It changed his life. Okay, here is the Sanjeev Kapoor telling about a turn of his life. Okay, a short turn of his life. His dream is different from the cooking. Okay, he want to become a architect or a engineer, medicine engineer. But here is friend his friend suggests him to apply in the hotel management. The institute name is the Institute of Hotel Management in New Delhi, and suggestion of his friends he applied in this institute, and after the applied he was selected there. And this was not planned decision, and it definitely a good one for him, and this decision changed his life. Okay, now next question: what was the difference between cooking at home and being in a professional hotel management and catering course? So next important question is here asked by the Ratna Sagar. The answer will given by the Sanjeev Kapoor. The answer is: the course is all about preparing a person to be a safe. The passion has to come from within. When you study professionally to be a safe, you are taught everything systematically about ingredient, science, art, commerce, the past, present, and future, everything of cooking and the questions of different regions. Finally, it is about the application of these knowledge and skill to different aspects of cooking in a high pressure professional environment. And cooking at home is a more relaxed activity wherever you learn with time and experience. Okay, so it means wherever you want to learn something, that you have to devote it from this type of the task. But a person to be a safe, the passion has to come from within. Okay, it is passion and you have to come from it. When you study professionally of this type of the profession, then you have to be a safe, then you have to taught everything just like that. You have to learn about ingredient, science, art, commerce, the past, present, future of the cooking, and the cuisines of the different regions. You have to learn many kind of the topic related to this topic. Okay, and finally it is about the application of this knowledge and skill to different aspects of cooking in a high pressure professional environment. Okay, so this is the next levels quality. If you want to learn anything by your heart, then you have to get it easily, and you have to learn it with a faithfully. Clear? And cooking at home is more relaxed activity where you have to learn with an experience. Clear? Now next is what is important for both whether you are cooking at home or professionally is to enjoy the process of cooking and feeding people good food. If you want to learn this as a professionally, okay, and if you learn it as a professionally, then you have to get it easily. But when you do it with the interest, you have to learn something and your interest already engaged with it, then you have to learn it very easily. But you think about in your mind, how can I learn it, how can I making it, then it is the pressure on you. Okay, so if you learn it with your heart, then it is very easy, and you have to learn it with enjoy. Okay, and enjoy the process of the cooking and the feeding people good food. And when you cooking it with the enjoy, with your interest, then you also served the good food for the people. Now next question is, how did you begin, how did you begin your professions, what was your first kitchen experience? So asking the question by the Ratna Sagar. And Rajiv Kapoor replied it, my journey into the culinary world started with me working as a chef for the ITDC group in India. I was posted at Hotel Ashok Banarsi. Okay, culinary world means related to food of cooking. Okay, so first journey of the Sanjeev Kapoor started with the culinary world. Okay, it is related to the food or cooking, and started with him working as a chef for the ITDC group in India. It is the name of a institute wherever he first time joined it and start to cooking of the cooking in this department. Okay, and I was posted at Hotel Ashoka Banarsi, and after that he posted, or he transferred to the other hotel. That name was the Hotel Ashok in Varanasi. Clear? Now next question is, did you plan Khana Khajana, the famous TV show? How did it happen? If you do something in your life, then you have to plan it first, and after that you have to work on that. Okay, so here is the answer of the Sanjeev Kapoor is, television happened during my tenures in the Centers, a hotel in Mumbai. I was approached by a radio producer from Fiji to host a show for India's first cable channel. There were several bumps on this road, but eventually it led it a great success. For one of the cookery show was tentatively called Shriman Bawarchi, which he just couldn't relate it to, and he actually refused to come on board if the name was not changed. Besides this, the production house insists of having a host standing next to him. So, reply of this question, Sanjeev Kapoor telling to the Ratna Sagar what he told that television happened during his tenure. Tenure means period of time in a job. Okay, this kind of the work, it means the famous on a TV show. It is during the job, and in a centers, where in a Shantur is a place in a Mumbai, a hotel in Mumbai, and he was approached by a radio producer from Fiji to host a show for India's first cable channel. Clear? And there were several bumps on this road, but eventually it led to great success. Okay, when he joined this show, that then he did not know how it will be popular. Okay, but when he joined it, then it eventually it will lead to a great success. For one, the cookery show was tentatively means temporarily. Okay, temporarily, it is not a long time, but called its name is Shriman Bawarchi, and which he just could not relate to. Okay, and he actually refused to come on board if the name was not changed. After the change the name, he will join it. Besides this, the production house insisted on having a host standing next to him while he was cooking, and this again he found to be a big check on his cooking, and he felt it stopped him from connecting with the audience, and the producers however persisted, and he suggested the name Khana Khajana to which the agreed. Khana Khajana thus took birth in 1993 and went on become a most successful cookery show on TV. More than 500 million people in about 167 countries see it. It was run non-stop for more than 15 years. Okay, so it is a short story to join the TV show of Khana Khajana. In the beginning, its name is, what is its name? Its name is Shriram Bawarchi. Okay, after the suggestion of Sanjeev Kapoor, its name changed into the Khana Khajana. Okay, and when its name will be changed, then it took a birth in 1993. Okay, and after that changing the name, it become more, Sanjeev Kapoor became get the good success, and this TV show and this name became very popular, not only in India, it also be popular in other country and foreign country, and there are 500 million people join it and show it in about 167 countries to see it, and it has run non-stop for more than 15 years. Okay, it run a long time turn. So thank you for watching video. We have to meet in the next video.